Today, let us study the third chapter from Geography, Indian Soils, Causes for Soil Erosion, Deforestation, Overgrazing, Unscientific Method of Cultivation, Over-irrigation, Manufacture of Bricks, Tiles and Pots. 2-mark question. Effects of soil erosion causing floods, changing direction of river course, the storage capacity of lake gets reduced, the volume of water percolating down gets reduced, natural spring dry up, agricultural productivity is reduced. 2-mark question it is. Next one is third one, methods of preventing soil erosion. Counterplowing, construction of bunds around the agricultural land, development of terraced agricultural field, prevention of deforestation and encouragement of afforestation, control of livestock grazing, planned use of water, construction of check dams, etc. Let us move on to the next chapter, fourth chapter, Indian forest resource. First one, types of forest in India, 2-mark question. Evergreen forest, deciduous monsoon forest, tropical grassland, mangrove forest, desert vegetation, alpine forest of Himalayas. Next one is reason for deforestation, very important question. Expansion of agriculture, animal grazing, construction of roads and railways, forest fire, mining in forest area, construction of irrigation project. Third one, method of conservation of forest, 3-mark, very important question. Control of forest fire, avoiding animal grazing, cutting down dried up and abrasing trees, planting sapling, sowing seeds, prevent illegal cutting of trees, awareness among people, control disease, social forestry project. Fourth one, importance of forest, provides pure air, food and fodder. Next point, brings good rainfall, control soil erosion, shelter house for animals and birds, medical plants are found in abundance. It attracts tourists, control ecological imbalance, it provides employment opportunities.